Hi, my name is Adam Heverola and I would like to welcome you back. Happy New Year to you. It is 2024 and I don't even know where 2023 went. But we are sure going to have a lot of flower fun together. We're going to start off with this beautiful collection of well wishes that somebody special is going to love to receive from you. This month we have this gorgeous peachy orange combination happening. It's very bright, it's very different than what we've seen for the holidays. We wanted to give you a breath of fresh air when January blew about. And I don't know if you know, but Pantone released the color of the year for 2024, and it is actually a soft peach like these roses. So we are like right on trend, and we planned this a few months ago. So very exciting. This is our trend colors. First thing we're gonna do is take the sleeve off, dispose of that. Rubber bands, cut them off, and go ahead and separate them by color and type so we know exactly what we have to work with. Our vessels this month are going to be an assortment of bud vases. See what you have at home. If you have some in a cupboard somewhere, pull them out. Size, assortment really doesn't matter, so use what you have. If you need to get them, I know the store that sells this sells these, so you can get them both at the same place. But have an assortment of bud vases. I've already pre-mixed the nutrients into the water. I know some of you may open up the package and just do a little sprinkling action here and just kind of toot, but we're not going to want to do that. We want to make sure that it's evenly done so that way our flowers last a long time. So I always have a pitcher where I mix the stuff into the water prior to filling up my vases. All right, now that we have our vases ready, our flowers ready, let's design. So I'm gonna start with this vase, and I'm gonna take our Gerber daisy. You can take the straw if you don't need it. And let's just put it coming out the side of the vase. Lilies. I've said it before, you're gonna hear me say it a lot more. If you need this to be set for a specific day, you wanna give lilies and Ostromeria a few days to really open up. And so, as you can see, we've had this already for 3 days and this lily is just starting to open up. But imagine when it opens, it's gonna be gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna remove some of this foliage. I want to just see the clean stem. Next we have these beautiful color enhanced carnations. I don't know about you, but I am in love with these colors. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So let's take these, put them in a little vase. We can even go crazy and give one of them two. Have a little assortment there. Now we have our gorgeous peach roses. If you get a rose and it has a guard petal damage from shipping, you can just pop that right off. It doesn't affect the rose whatsoever. Doesn't mean that the rose is old, it just means that it got bumped a little bit too much. And we're gonna put that right into there. And imagine when that rose blows open, it's gonna be absolutely stunning. Again, just remove some of these guard petals. Moving on to our spray roses. Love these. It's funny how nature does it, right? This stem doesn't have a lot of laterals. This stem has big laterals. That's what happens. So if you get a stem that has the big laterals like this, you can go ahead and pull some of these off. Oops, there was a thorn. So that's gonna happen. Go ahead and pull some of these off, and we could put these in this dainty little vase here. I'm gonna give that one a little bit shorter. If you do it something that looks a little bit more fragile of a vase, a little bit more dainty like this, make sure the flowers are nice and soft and dainty. All right, the next cluster I'm gonna put into this vase. And let's match it up with, let's see. I'm gonna actually take this guy and put it over with this rose to just give a little bit more of a presence there. Because we still have Austrameria. So let's put one of these Austromerias right in this vase. Do you see how beautifully open that is? That's what we want to see. And this one's on the verge of being that open. It'll happen. And let's put this one, let's put it with this carnation. What do you think? Kind of balance that out. Because it's a little bit bigger, I'm going to put it at the bottom. So it opens up at the bottom and you just have this pop of that beautiful orangey peach color happening. And we have one of our ruscus. What do you think? I think I'm going to put it with this rose. I think this rose needs a little something beside it. So do you see all these beautiful combinations of flowers that we have, which is that one bouquet? Under $15, you get all of this. And next, let's add on our special moment. What I did to finish our looks was I created these little sayings, wishing you forgiveness, laughter, love in 2024. I printed them on the computer because my handwriting's not great and I wanted people to be able to read it. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this and give it a little tie around the flowers and just have it hang off. I imagined when I came up with this design plan that we spread the love of flowers to our friends, our neighbors, our family, our loved ones. But you know who really would love it the most? Is somebody you don't know. Somebody you don't know, if you walked up and gave them a little vase with a little flower and a happy message, that is going to make their day. Spread the love of flowers, show people that you care, and there's no better way than a well-wishing and a beautiful flower to start our 2024. And that being said, I wish every one of you all of these wishes for 2024. May it be the best year ever. May you find everything you ever wished. I hope you have lots of love, friendship, smiles, and of course, flowers. I look forward to seeing you every month coming. We have some great projects and I cannot wait to share them with you. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next month.